Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay for Spotify Premium with Apple Pay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your web browser and then simply open up spotify.com. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is log into your account. And once you're logged into your account here, in order to access to premium, what you need to do is tap on the settings app on the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll be seeing an option that says premium. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, you'll be sent to this premium plan page. Now what you need to do here is scroll down, select the plan that you want. Now once you have selected the plan, what you need to do is simply tap on try for free for 1 month, and here you can see you'll be sent to the order confirmation for your payment selection option. Here you can see there is bunch of options like PayPal, credit card or debit card, and here you should also get the option to pay with Apple Pay as well. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.